Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bgmgirl. In today's video, we are reviewing this beautiful wig from Bgmgirl hair. It is 14 inches, 180 density, 13 by 4 frontal, and the hair texture I believe is Brazilian. So when this unit came, I didn't really have to do a lot of maintenance to it. I just plucked just a little bit of it and I added foundation powder, but I didn't put a lot of foundation powder. I go back in when the lace is glued down. So I'm just cutting the lace in sections so that when it's time for me to glue it down, it's more easier. I only do 2 layers of the Ghost Bond glue because I just glue back in my edges and Ghost Bond rips out your edges. So I just be careful with this glue and I just go back in with the Got To Be spray if it's not really glued down. So I'm just blow drying until the glue turns clear as it is right now. And then we're just going to go ahead and pull down the lace section by section and just pat it down and make sure that it's secured. So I always go back in with the Got To Be spray just to make sure that it's actually laid down because I only do 2 layers of the Ghost Bond and everybody else naturally do like 3 or 4. So I'm just going to blow dry that down until I feel like, it's secured. So now I'm going to go in with my little tiny scissors and I'm just going to cut the lace off. As you can see, the lace, well, you can't really see it yet, but as you can see, the lace is a little bit light around the corners. So I just go ahead and go in with my Fenty Beauty Toffee Tees and I just put that, right on the corners by where the baby hairs is going to be because nobody really going to see it. So now I'm going ahead and separating all the hair in the front that I feel like is going to be baby hairs. When I was doing this, I felt like I was putting a lot of hair, but then again, I had faith in myself and I knew I was going to body all this hair for baby hairs. So I'm getting my wax stick and I'm just pushing all the hair to the back, separating it, and then I'm going to get my hot comb and just go over it and make sure that it is flat and slick. So guys, now you're going to go ahead and tie your baby hairs down and just form your part and make sure that the top of the hair and the sides look good before you start doing your baby hairs. So once you feel like the top and the sides look how it's supposed to look, you're going to go ahead and untie your baby hairs. And you're just going to shred it down to your liking. And you're going to get your blue foam. You're going to see the blue foam. You're going to get your blue foam. And you're going to put that all over the baby hairs and start forming your art. So guys, once the baby hairs is done, now you're going to get into the unit. This hair was super soft. I didn't have to put no product in this hair. The curls stayed all day and it took the curls properly. Sometimes hair, it don't be taking the curls properly. The curls don't be staying up there. But this is a short hairdo, and when I tell y'all the curls stayed on all day, it stayed on. So guys, now we're going to go ahead and take out the headband and you're going to look at your art. I'm starting to like doing baby hairs ever since I started using my toothbrush. I'm just going back in and fixing certain stuff that needs to be fixed. But other than that, I just went back in and put some concealer on my part. Make sure my part looks like it's, sharp. And yeah, this is how the unit ended up looking. Big shout out to Bgmgirl hair. Guys, you should shop with them. This is a beautiful natural unit. The hair was super soft and easy to install. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.